Both Restoration Rescue and Heavy D Sparks are well-known names in the world of car rescue and restoration. Both channels have put much effort into achieving the leader position in their respective fields. In this video, we will compare these channels to one another to find out which is the best out of the bunch. Let's take some time to get acquainted with the many channels and the stories behind them before we start the competition, shall we? The retired aircraft, yachts, and several other sorts of vehicles can all be seen being restored to their former glory on the YouTube channel known as Rebuild Rescue. Jason Morrison is credited with establishing the channel, which relies heavily on YouTube as its primary money generator. Jason brings abandoned vehicles to his storage facility by searching for them where they are expected to be located, then driving through those areas to transport them. He has a background in motors, engines, and other vehicle components. In addition, he has been working in this industry for a considerable amount of time, allowing him to amass a significant amount of competence in the sphere. Heavy D and the other crew members at Diesel Sellers take pride in building wild rides, and they believe that the larger the vehicle, the better. Heavy D can fix nearly anything that runs on diesel and has wheels and an engine, although he is usually identified as working on diesel-powered trucks. Soon after graduating from high school, Dave started his own tiny digging firm to erect rock walls, waterfalls, and other landscaping features. Let's not squander any more time and get right down to comparing the two. According to the data provided by YouTube, the channel Rebuild Rescue has over 620,000 followers and has accumulated nearly 46 million views. On the other hand, Heavy D Sparks has amassed a combined total of 300 million views throughout his career, thanks to the 2.5 million people subscribed to his channel. Heavy D Sparks emerged victorious from this encounter. Comparatively, Rebuild Rescue brings in roughly $75,000 annually in income, while Heavy D Sparks brings over $900,000 annually in revenue. Rebuild Rescue is a smaller company. Heavy D Sparks emerged victorious from this encounter. Channel assessment of forward movement. Heavy D Sparks was founded in the same year Rebuild Rescue was, and it has experienced significant growth since its establishment. Heavy D Sparks has more than 2 times as many subscribers compared to the previous channel and more than 3 times as many lifetime views. They were successful in this particular round as well. Channel uploads. The variance in the total views attributed to Rebuild Rescue and Heavy D Sparks is primarily attributable to the number of video uploads performed. However, Heavy D Sparks has more than 200 videos available on their domain, whereas Rebuild Rescue has only uploaded 65 films on their channel so far. This round also goes to Heavy D, who becomes triumphant. According to these assessments, selecting Heavy D Sparks as your partner is, without a doubt, your best option. On the other hand, Rebuild Rescue is also an outstanding channel, and the host, Jason Morrison, delivers an inspirational narrative. If you have any interest in this subject matter, it is strongly suggested that you subscribe to both of these channels because the content they provide is outstanding. What are your thoughts on that, exactly? Which one is the best? Please share your thoughts and comments in the box provided below. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you find it interesting. This will allow us to bring you more content similar to this. Please accept my sincere gratitude and my warmest wishes for a fantastic day. In the following video, we'll continue our conversation with you.